Good morning, dear students. Welcome to SAM Chemistry Hub. Today we are going to discuss oxidizing agents or reducing agents. Oxidizing agents are oxidants or reducing agents are reductants. Oxidants are species which oxidize others but itself gets reduced. Oxidants are species which oxidize others but itself gets reduced. For example, if you take the lead sulfide PbS plus 4O3, PbSO4 plus 4O2, here ozone is the act as a oxidizing agent. O2, here ozone to O3, here ozone to O3. Okay, Nama? So oxidizing number is reduced. For example, if you take some common oxidants, molecules of the most electronegative elements, for example, O3, O2, F2, Cl2. These are the examples of the oxidants. That means most electronegative element act as a oxidizing agents or oxidants. If you take the another one, the elements in their highest oxidation state in compounds, for example, highest oxidation state in compounds, those elements act as a oxidant, good oxidant. Here example in KMnO4, manganese oxidation state is plus 7. Here K2Cr2O7, chromium oxide or chromium oxidation state is a plus 6. In H2SO4, sulfur oxidation state is a plus 6. HNO3 oxidation state is in HNO3, nitrogen oxidation state is plus 5. And as like SO3, CO2, FeCl3, in these cases the central atom having highest oxidation state, that's why the elements having the elements act as a good oxidizing agent. And also some oxides, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, chromium oxide and hydrogen peroxide, these are also act as a good oxidizing agents. Okay friends, next one, reducing agents are reductants. Reducing agents are reductants. Reducing agents are species which reduced another but get oxidized itself. Okay, reducing agents, it oxidizes itself and also reduced others. Here you observe some examples, some common reductants. All the first year group elements, that means majorly metals of first year group element, lithium, so except lithium and sodium, and magnesium and calcium, remaining all first year group elements and second year group elements act as a reducing agents. Metals of group A except lithium and sodium, and group second A magnesium and calcium, these are the examples of the reducing agents. Sorry friends, once again, metals of the first year group elements and metals of the second year group elements all are act as a reducing agents. All are act as a reducing agent. In non-metals like carbon, sulfur, phosphorus and hydrogens, these are also act as a good reducing agents. Okay now friends, in a hydrogen halide, hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, hydrogen chloride, these also act as a good reducing agents. And also metal hydrides like lithium hydride, calcium hydrides also act as a good reducing agents. Okay now friends, next one, molecule or compound in which are the element has lowest oxidation state. Lowest oxidation state. Here, one thing, listen once. The molecules or compounds in which the elements has lowest oxidation state. Lowest oxidation state means the element electron needed to achieve octet configuration. The element needed to extra electron to the get oxidation state. For example, Lg2Cl2, H2S, Cu2O, SnCl2, FeCl2. So here reducing agent means lowest oxidation state element, oxidizing agent highest oxidation state elements required. Okay now friends, next one, some organic compounds like HCOOH and COOH taken twice. These type of organic acid also act as a good reducing agents. Good reducing agents, friends. These are the act as a good reducing agents. So thank you friends. Thank you one and all.